60th anniversary of D-Day. We'll have an exciting match to remind ourselves of the security.
What an impressive takeoff from an aircraft that size. 50 degrees nose up and it turns through 45 degrees right. Yes, it really is an agile machine, this. Of course, a multinational program, as with any Airbus aircraft, and it really promises much for the Royal Air Force Air Mobility Fleet, which, Mark, has undergone so much change in recent years. The Air Mobility Fleet upgrade that the Royal Air Force has undergone. The aircraft being turned is now into what will be a very tight 360-degree orbit in front of us. And the aircraft due to gain its release to service into the Royal Air Force in September this year. My day job is working for the Assistant Chief of Air Staff as his delegated release to service authority, and my team working full-time on this aircraft at the moment to ensure that it has a meaningful RTS around about September.
An event much awaited by the RAF, for the French Air Force already has the aircraft in service, and indeed they've been using it to support operations in Mali. The Turkish Air Force has also taken delivery of its first A400M, then the UK this September, as Mark said, and the German Luftwaffe in November. Airbus hopes in 2015 to deliver 23 of these aircraft to customers actually made up of composites, and that Airbus says is more than any other large military aircraft. A slow pass here with the undercarriage down. This is an aircraft that can fly very slowly, slowly enough to refuel helicopters, and that is another of its intended roles. In the transport function, meanwhile, the sort of loads it can carry, well, it can take a Super Puma very steeply. Preservation, the other put in flyable storage. Now here comes a higher speed flight last than the end of this. As it pulls up here, we'll see something that's absolutely amazing for an aircraft of this size. The aircraft will bank over to approximately 120 degrees. Bearing in mind that most large aircraft are restricted to somewhere in the region of 40 degrees of bank, the forces on the vertical stabilizer here, absolutely immense. We'll see maximum braking being applied and also maximum reverse pitch on the propellers.